Bitcoin, Ripple, cryptocurrency, forex, stocks. These are some of the key buzzwords around which the modern world revolves. And falling behind in this rapidly evolving digital world can feel a little scary. Alright, as you may know, today many governments are investing in a digital currency called Bitcoin. Countries like the USA, China, Japan, and even some European nations have entered the space. But what is Bitcoin exactly? Or better yet, what does trading even mean? Trading means buying and selling an asset with the goal of making profit from its price fluctuations. For example, you buy a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin today and sell it next week when the price goes up and make a profit. What's the difference between trading and investing? An investor might hold an asset for years. A trader, however, looks for profit in days or even hours. And yes, there are many markets where you can trade, crypto, forex, and stocks being the most popular. But today, we're focusing on crypto trading, and we're going to give you a short and powerful overview of the whole trading journey. So if you're thinking of becoming a trader, welcome. This is the exact roadmap you've been looking for. But first, in trading, your discipline and mindset play a massive role. So, be wise. At the beginning of your trading journey, education is key. But before even learning anything, you need to ask yourself, do I really want to walk this path? Listen, don't be fooled by hype. Yes, there are successful traders out there. But for every winner, there's a loser. The market is where money flows from amateur traders to professional ones, and loss is always a possibility. You need to know how much you're willing to sacrifice to become a real trader. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to scare you. Trading is exciting, but it's also full of stress and challenges. So it's vital to enter this journey with awareness, and only with money you're prepared to lose. Trading is 80% psychology, 20% skill. Most of trading is about your mindset. The rest is about learning analysis, strategies, and risk management. And that's exactly what we do at Not Weak Traders. We grow together and grow strong. Now, let's dive into the 6-step roadmap to becoming a trader. Step 1. Education. Learn technical analysis, fundamental analysis, trading indicators, and trading psychology. Step 2. Set a goal. For example, earn 10% profit in my first 3 months. Step 3. Market research. Study the market. Look for profitable coins and trading opportunities. Step 4. Build a plan. Choose a strategy that fits your personality and goals. Step 5. Set your capital. Decide how much money you'll use, and accept that you might lose it. Step 6. Choose the right platform. Pick a secure and reliable exchange or app. The market is already complex. Don't make it more complicated by learning everything at once. Some traders benefit from variety, but focusing on one system that matches your personality and testing it thoroughly is often more effective. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a completely digital currency. You can't touch or hold it. It uses blockchain technology to record and verify transactions. Why is it called cryptocurrency? Because it uses encryption to make transactions secure, meaning no one can easily tamper with it. Unlike traditional currencies like dollars, cryptocurrencies are not controlled by any government or bank. The most famous example? Bitcoin. There are 3 main types of cryptocurrencies like 1. Coins. These have their own independent blockchains. For examples, Bitcoin, the first and most famous cryptocurrency. Ethereum, Litecoin, LTC. 2. Tokens built on existing blockchains like Ethereum. For examples, Uni, Uniswap token. Link, Chainlink token. 3. Stablecoins. These are tied to stable assets like the US dollar. Examples, USDT, Tether, USDC, USD Coin, BUSD, Binance USD. For now, understanding these 3 types is more than enough to get started. In technical analysis, traders use charts and patterns to study and predict price movements. On the other hand, fundamental analysis focuses on examining news, economic conditions, and the performance of companies. However, In the world of cryptocurrency, technical analysis is often the most essential and effective, and it's something you absolutely need to learn, including tools like candlestick patterns, supply and demand zones, support and resistance levels, moving averages. But the most important principle you must understand in trading is risk management. How much of your capital you put into a trade and how much you are willing to risk. You should only risk 1% to 2% of your capital per trade. Always use a stop loss and a take profit. Always have a clear entry point and a clear exit point. Keep a trading journal. And most importantly, in trading, your first priority should be survival, not how much profit you want to make. Your goal is to stay in the game, not get kicked out of the market too quickly. Apps you can use in trading include exchanges, wallets, and TradingView. There are many exchanges available, but according to CoinMarketCap, the top 3 right now are ranked number 1, Binance, ranked number 2, Bybit. As for wallets, the most popular and widely used ones are MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Timekeeper. Now let's talk about TradingView. It's a web-based platform that helps traders and analysts view, analyze, and study the price charts of cryptocurrencies, stocks, forex, and more, using powerful tools and indicators. It's pretty easy to use, but what's important is to learn about different indicators and how to trade in various time frames, something we'll definitely explore more in the future. Remember, the market doesn't care about your feelings. It's up to you to decide whether your emotions and mindset will help you or harm you. So in addition to building strong strategies and managing your capital wisely, developing a strong and disciplined mindset is just as important. And that wraps up the basics of trading. I hope it helps you get started on the right foot. So, be wise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Not Weak Traders community, where we trade strong and stay stronger.